How to reverse Google search an image on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reverse Google search an image on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Reverse image search is a handy tool that has a variety of applications. If you are a photographer, you can use it to help ensure that your photos are not being used by other websites without your permission. If you are taking a stroll and see a beautiful flower and want to know the name of it, you can take a photo of it and use reverse image search to help identify it. So, go ahead and open the App Store on a device and search for Google Chrome and download Google Chrome on your device if you do not have Chrome already. Now go ahead and open Google Chrome and search for the image that you want to reverse Google search. Once you have opened the image, hold on the image and in the pop-up menu that appears, tap on the search image with Google option, and with this, the image will be searched in more depth. So this is how you can reverse Google search an image on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.